All right, here we go. It's the first Friday afternoon club cocktail hour with Debate Me Now. We're doing best cocktails with recipes. It's a tough call with an old fashioned because I love them, but I'm going to stick with something with a little more history. The 007, what I call it, otherwise known as the Vesper Martini. First mentioned in the 1953 book, Casino Royale, and it's the first time James Bond ever said, shaken, well shaken, not stirred. Coming up.
All right, we're doing the old fashioned today, folks. I like to use a nice chilled glass, and I also like the large ice cube. Those are two mandatory things with the old fashioned. The other thing that is a mandatory option is not those bright cherries that you see that are typically on, a Sunday that Trevor normally takes down, when he goes to 31 flavors. You definitely want the Luxardo cherries, the black cherries, and the juice.
All right, so here with our Vesper recipe, of course, I do go with the big blocks of ice. Since we're going shaken, not stirred, you're going to need that. So I have my own modified version. The real version is this: 3 measures of Gordon's, 1 vodka, half a measure of Quina Lillet, and 1 measure of vodka. 3 measures of Gordon gin, 1 measure of vodka, half measure of Quina Lillet. I mix that up a little bit. I go half vodka, half gin, just a splash of Lillet. I'll start mixing.
Here's what I do. I take my Luxardo cherry mix, if I can open it up, and I'll just pour a little bit of the syrup in there, just like that, not too much. I will then take my Old Elk blended bourbon, and I'll just throw a little bit. I don't need to go all these, special ounces and so much like Trevor's talking about. I think it's just ridiculous when people start doing that. Then what I'll do next is I'll take an orange.
All right, I'm back over here. He's probably still talking. So now we're gonna go with my lemon. Take a little slice off, maybe just a little twist in there, get a little of the juices flowing. And then of course, you get your top on, and as Bond would say, shaken, not stirred. Pour that into your glass. Happy Friday cocktails. Vesper 007.
So I'm still mixing my Luxardo cherry sauce with my Old Elk bourbon, and then I take my large, nice cherry. And remember, I had a nice chilled glass, which definitely makes a big difference. Let that sit in there for a little bit, twirl it around, and I'm telling you, this is the best old-fashioned west of the Mississippi. Oh, man.